How to send electronic gift or e-gifts using the Target application here on your PC or on your mobile device. For this, you can simply follow the steps I'm showing you right here on your screen. For adding a gift card to your account using the target.com, log into your account, press on your account section, then name, select gift cards, and then press on save a new gift card on the plus sign. Enter the card number and access code to add it to your account. Now using gift card on the Target application, how you can do it, find the wallet tab on the app's main screen. In the gift card section, select add and then press on add gift card from that. Scan the Target barcode from a physical card or input the gift card number and access the code manually. Applying your gift card at checkout, log into your account using the app and then choose the items you want to purchase. Then finally, once done, select I'm ready to check out. In the gift card section, add the gift card you want to apply. After selecting, complete your checkout. Target gift card will always be used first before you're charging your payment. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.